Okay, this video is for Pacinos Signature Line Cream Sculpting Wax Cream. As you can see this right here, it is brand new in a package. Just so you know, I'm selling 6 pieces of this item at a super discounted price because I'm trying to build up a following here on Amazon. So you'll be able to see that this item is brand new. See, it has the cap. And look how beautiful. Let's see how sturdy this is. This is nice. This is a little too much though. I'm making a mess, but that's okay. Let's see what my hair looks like. Yeah, it's got great texture. I was never really crazy about this line, but I tell you honestly, this product is perfect. It's not sticky. My hands aren't greasy. Okay, it's got a great product, great hold, nice spikiness. And the greatest thing about it is that every time you order something from me, I will include a free pack of Purells. I have many of these, and I make sure I take care of my customers. Yes, beautiful. Thank you very much. Best of luck. Take care.